Hey guys, first fan of the night. So this is the barber shop that I go to that was actually, it used to be owned by the same church and community development organization that owned 12 Wings. And it was originally in the same strip mall as the church. And then it was in a different storefront. And now it's in this storefront in a 100-year-old building. And we just did a fan install here. So I'm gonna do the big reveal. Bam. So we have the tin ceiling, the track lights that have been there probably since the 90s, although we're adding more track lights. I will show that in a later video. And we added the two Matthews gyro fans and the Ascension in the center. You guys want to say anything about this install before we start the demo?
Oh yes, just the fact that being kind of modernized, but yet at the same time you got vintage in one.
Yep.
It's very cool to be able to combine it.
Yeah.
The way we did, you know, these Matthews are rather vintage. Well, the Ascension is fairly recent, but
Looks vintage.
yeah, it does, but yet it looks like it belongs. And of course, the painting of the conduit, we really made it look like it.
It looks, yeah. No, we originally talked about doing like blenders or emersons of some kind to kind of match the ceiling. But then we had these Matthews and we weren't sure what to do with them. And I showed them to the owner, the current owner of the barbershop, and he's like, oh, I love those. So then the question was, what's a third fan that looks good with the Matthews? And yeah, Pete had this Ascension that he was willing to use for this project. And so we're all very, very happy with it. Well, you want to hit the main switch over there, Pete?
Yeah, this track
I gotta say, I think that this turned out a lot better than I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, and now that it's up, I'm like, yeah, this definitely fits the vibe.
It's great. I think they'll really like it too.
So the fans are on the same switch, master switch as this set of track lights.
They're all at their lowest possible speed right now.
Who would like to do the controls?
I'll do it.
Okay. Yeah.
I can definitely reach it.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and just inch them up.
Okay, so yeah, they're on solid state controls. This is ours.
We'll show you.
Actually,
You
I
need
can
to
move it.
step on the chair. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, this one's the, what is that, the Ascension?
Yeah, no, that's the gyro
That's
fans.
the gyro and this is the Ascension. So they're all the way down right now. So we'll just, I guess I can do this one first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say maybe inch them up until we get to where the gyros start to spin,
Okay.
which is probably where I'll leave it at the end of the day.
So give them both floor mergers.
Hey, Pete, you want to kill that other fan? We don't really need that anymore, and then I'll...
Oh yeah.
Gyros are just starting to spin right here.
Yep.
The back one rattles a little, but I don't think...
Could be a balance thing, but
Yeah.
and the Ascension's at full. The Ascension takes a minute to get up to speed, so I'm still just.
Oh, wow.
Full.
Those really blast.
Oh yeah.
They will enjoy those in the summertime.
Oh, I think they will.
It can get very warm in the summertime, especially when Terry tries not to run the air conditioning. Which is silly if you ask me, but I guess with all the door being open, shut, sometimes. And speaking of which, we did something that might help with that too. We'll show that in a second.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Should I do it? Shut them off?
yeah, let's do spin down. Oh, okay, I was gonna do the kill switch, but yeah, this works fine. I'm pretty sure the Ascension will be the last.
Oh yeah.
Easily.
Well, it's not the back fan rattling, it's that vending machine.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Yep. That vending machine, which of course has 8, 12, 20 in it.
There's some 8, 12, 20 in that vending machine. Let's see if I can. Yep. Crunch, 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 crunch.
Yeah, this is a really solid install. Yeah, it looks awesome here.
I like it much because it looks like a random thing, kind of, because even though the fans go, you never see gyros with another fan unless it's like, you know, those installs where they've got like a bunch of industrials and then one big ass fan?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah,
like
I've seen that.
store.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's kind of the same vibe that it's giving.
Yeah, I've seen that.
But
Yeah, that Ascension, I think.
it's going to take a while. Well, should we show the next thing while that's finishing? It's been
I'd
down.
say, yeah, I mean,
Okay.
it's gonna be
Well.
Oh yeah, steel on steel.
Yeah.
Just that way.
Let's try to be quiet because it is the middle of the night, so we decided. Oh, here's what I gotta show you guys first. So we placed this used to be an eyeglass store, and where we put these fans, there actually used to be fans when it was an eyeglass store, and those fans were still in the basement. They were in pretty rough shape, but we were able to make one good one out of them, and we decided to put it over the door. So here we have. Here, go ahead and hit the switch, Pete.
Hunter Esplanade.
I'll show it. Ooh, it's snowing.
It sure is. That's how we're hanging fans outside while it's snowing.
Nice. Well, let's very quietly take it to medium. It looks really good out here, actually. I don't really like these, but I think it looks great here.
Is that better or worse?
Worse. Better. We'll probably leave it on medium, but
It's actually very, very quiet.
yeah. We'll take it to high.
Yeah, and I asked before
Shh, we got neighbors.
for why put a fan out here
Yeah.
with the weather we got.
Well, there's two reasons, actually. One of them I alluded to earlier, which is you create an air curtain over your door. So when he keeps opening the door, you know, customers keep opening the door, less warm air will escape and less cool air will escape in the summer. And the other reason is because it keeps bugs from getting inside. Now, I don't know if this fan is powerful enough to really do a good air curtain the way we talked about. Is that spin down?
It's off, yeah.
Okay. But it's better than nothing. We talked about maybe painting an agrifan to match the like burgundy red and putting that there, and we may still do that in the future, but if they like this, maybe we'll leave it. It looks kind of cool.
It could work because of having a light here.
Yeah, it is nice to have the light.
Especially at this
I
time
wanted
of
to
year.
show this real quick.
Oh.
I thought this was really cool.
Yeah.
Pharmacy.
That must have been a
Must have been a pharmacy when it was
Yeah,
built.
the drugstore.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
The Ascension's still going, by the way.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see which one stops first.
This has got a good.
It's actually beautiful snowfall.
This is quiet.
We were supposed to get a light snowfall today, not a big one, so I'm a little surprised, but I'll take it. You know? Well, if we can see this from inside, I might go back where it's warm inside. Let's see if we can see it from inside. Oh, yeah. Let me know when the Ascension stops. Yeah, so Rick and I are going to do a couple other projects after the fans, but his metalness is going to get back on the highway, so that may be a separate video, or maybe I'll splice it on.
Yeah, so there would have been 3 Hunter Esplanades in here at one point. We found 2 of them, and they both had damage, so this is the one good one that we're able to put together.
I did look it up. It is Esplanade.
Oh, is it Esplanade?
Yes, it means like a outdoor walkway or something like that.
And the Esplanade stop.
You want? Yeah, that's why I moved over to this one.
Wow. Okay, yeah, that's essential.
You want to go turn the Esplanade back to medium, and then Pete can take his ladder.
Yep.
Okay. The other Esplanade parts are there on the floor. Yeah, well, they'll be open for business tomorrow, so hopefully they'll really like all of this. And that's a heck of a spin down. He's so loud. The neighbors already complained once.
He's got to take my vacuum yet.
Okay.
Left without his vacuum.
Oh no. Well, this just stopped, so thanks for watching, and what should they do?
advanced
and
power made.
thanks for watching.